every year, we're going to go ahead and check your system. But in the meantime, if you need anything whatsoever, we have a sticker that we place right on your cabinet door. It has our phone number on it, and it also has instructions on how to turn the system off. So we talked about the S5 and the S6 reverse osmosis system. Let's talk about the service. Why would you need to service a system like this? Well, just like the filters in your car, the filters get dirty inside this system. Here's an example, and this isn't even close to as bad as some of the ones I've seen, right? And by the way, that's a brand new one, okay? So you're gonna wanna change these out on an annual basis, and in some cases, more frequently than that, if you're on water like a well, that's really bad. So I've seen these that look like they got jelly on the outside of them, and they're like total orange, just gross. And you have to rinse the filter out. It's pretty nasty sometimes. And what that's really doing, and you look on the inside, it's nice and white. It's filtering all the stuff you just don't wanna put in your body, right? So let's get rid of that. And then the next couple of filters, these are going to get rid of stuff that you really a lot of times can't see, like chlorine, taste, odor, all kinds of different metals in the water supply. They're filled with carbon. So that's why after a little bit of time these get broke down. That's why we change them out, right? So you put brand new filters in. And how about the taste and odor filter? Well, why do you need to change that out? Well, see, the taste and odor filter is just that. It's getting rid of taste, any odor that might be left, from the water being in the tank or whatever. So on a regular basis, this is going to also fill up with a little bit of whatever, and on an annual basis, we change out the taste and odor filter. And then finally, when you look at your mineral cartridge, this actually needs to be changed out more frequently than just about any of the other ones, because as the minerals become depleted, and it's all based on how much you use this system, it's going to get to the point where it's not really giving you any of that pH positiveness, right? So you just change it out and you're good to go for another cycle. So hopefully that clears up. I know a lot of people ask, I don't understand why I have to change it. The filters don't look that bad, but there's a lot of things that are breaking down that you can't see. And so we just recommend, just to be safe, make sure you change your filters on a regular basis. We recommend every 6 months to a year on this and every year on the rest of them. Okay, thank you. Thanks for checking out our video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. If you really liked it, share it with your friends. If you have questions or comments, leave them below, and check us out at FloridaWaterAnalysis.com or Facebook. Thanks again.